To satisfy your appetite, we have a large variety of apples all season long. Each apple has a distinctive taste if you know what you're tasting for. Arguably one of the most recognizable apples, Granny Smith is also known as a sour apple or the green apple. Food fact, this apple is great for cold storage, kind of like your fridge. Just keep it in there for as long as you want. Crisp, acidic, and sharp, this apple will give you that tingly feeling right here when you take a bite. Other than biting right into this apple, this makes a silky smooth applesauce. You can even use it in tarts, pies, because they don't get mushy as you bake them. Now, these things are subjective, but Honeycrisp apples are one of the tastiest apples out there. My favorite for sure. Honeycrisp have a signature crunch, they're super juicy, and they're the perfect balance of sweet and tart. This is the perfect snacking apple. Slice it, dice it, put it in a salad. You can even make a great apple tart with this. The Cosmic Crisp is literally out of this world. It's named for its galaxy-like features with its lenticles dotted across its dark red skin. First of all, these apples will do great in cool storage. They'll last for months after harvesting. And they don't brown after cutting them. They're super firm and super hardy. And they're great for things like apple tarts, tarte tatin. But don't try making applesauce out of them. It's not that good. A little cooking advice, these apples are packed with natural sugars. So when you're cooking with them, use less sugar. One of our favorite ways to use a Cosmic Crisp is to make it savory. Pair it with some ham, thyme, and some eggs, and it makes a great savory quiche. Here at ShopRite, we want you to explore and discover new ingredients to unlock your inner home chef. That's why we pride ourselves in connecting with the most local, seasonal, and innovative partners to bring you the best. So whatever apples it be from A to Z, you can cook happy knowing that we got you.